Looking for the best floor-standing speakers in 2026? In this video, we review the top tower speakers delivering powerful bass, crystal-clear vocals, and immersive surround sound for music lovers and home theater fans. Whether you want premium hi-fi audio, cinematic performance, or budget-friendly options, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we compare design, sound quality, features, and value to help you choose the perfect floor-standing speaker for your setup. Number 3. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP 8000 F2 floor-standing speakers are premium tower speakers built to deliver cinematic sound, powerful bass, and exceptional clarity for serious home theater and music enthusiasts. Featuring Klipsch's signature acoustic technology and bold ebony finish, these speakers combine stunning audio performance with a modern, high-end design that stands out in any entertainment setup. At the heart of the RP 8000 F2 are dual 8-inch cerametallic woofers, engineered for deep, punchy bass with minimal distortion. These woofers provide outstanding efficiency and dynamic performance, making action movies, music, and gaming feel incredibly immersive. High frequencies are handled by a 1-inch LTS titanium diaphragm tweeter paired with a larger 90 degrees by 90 degrees hybrid Tractrix horn, which improves sound dispersion and detail while keeping vocals crisp and natural even at high volume levels. The speakers also support bi-wiring and bi-amping, allowing advanced users to further customize and enhance their audio setup. Whether used in a stereo system or a full surround sound home theater, the RP 8000 F2 delivers a massive soundstage with impressive depth and energy. User reviews consistently praise the speakers for their powerful output, detailed sound, and premium build quality. Many users mention how well they perform in large surround sound systems and appreciate their ability to produce theater-like audio at home. Overall, the Klipsch RP 8000 F2 speakers offer powerful performance, premium craftsmanship, and dynamic sound quality, making them an outstanding investment for high-end home audio and cinematic entertainment. Number 2. The JBL Stage 280F dual 8-inch floor-standing speakers are powerful tower speakers designed to deliver dynamic, room-filling sound for music lovers, home theater enthusiasts, and even karaoke setups. With JBL's signature acoustic engineering and modern design, these speakers provide impressive clarity, deep bass, and a wide soundstage that elevates both stereo and surround sound experiences. Each speaker is equipped with dual 8-inch polycellulose ribbed cone woofers, engineered to produce strong, accurate bass with excellent control and low distortion. Whether listening to music, watching movies, or singing karaoke, the low-end response feels deep and impactful without overpowering the mids and highs. The woofers are paired with a 1-inch anodized aluminum tweeter and JBL's advanced HDI horn design, which improves sound dispersion and detail while keeping vocals and instruments crisp and natural. The 2.5-way crossover system helps create smooth transitions between frequencies, delivering balanced audio with strong mid-range performance and clean high frequencies. The speakers also feature a premium cabinet design with magnetic grills and a floating front baffle that gives them a sleek, modern appearance suitable for any entertainment setup. User feedback highlights the speaker's strong output, immersive sound, and excellent performance for karaoke and home entertainment. Many users appreciate the powerful bass and energetic presentation that JBL speakers are known for. Overall, the JBL Stage 280F floor-standing speakers offer excellent sound quality, bold bass performance, and stylish design, making them a fantastic option for music, movies, and high-energy entertainment systems. Number 1. The SVS Prime Pinnacle floor-standing speakers are premium tower speakers designed for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts who want powerful, detailed sound with deep bass performance. Featuring a sophisticated driver layout with a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter, 5.25-inch mid-range driver, and triple 6.5-inch woofers, these speakers deliver an impressive balance of clarity, dynamics, and low-frequency impact. One of the standout qualities of the Prime Pinnacle speakers is their ability to produce rich, room-filling sound without needing a separate subwoofer for many listening setups. The triple woofer design delivers surprisingly deep and controlled bass, while the dedicated mid-range driver keeps vocals and instruments clear and natural. The aluminum dome tweeter adds crisp, high frequencies without sounding harsh, creating a smooth and refined listening experience for both music and movies. The speakers are especially impressive at higher volumes, where they truly come alive with strong dynamics and effortless power. Whether listening to stereo music, gaming, or surround sound movie content, the soundstage feels spacious, immersive, and highly detailed. Proper speaker placement and a short break-in period also help maximize their full performance potential. User reviews consistently praise the Prime Pinnacle speakers for their clean sound, excellent bass response, and long listening comfort. Many buyers mention upgrading from older speaker systems and noticing a dramatic improvement in audio quality and depth. Overall, the SVS Prime Pinnacle floor-standing speakers deliver premium performance, powerful bass, and refined sound quality, making them an outstanding choice for serious home audio and theater setups. Thanks for watching our best floor-standing speakers review in 2026. Speaker Eye Volume, we hope this guide helped you find the perfect tower speakers for your home theater or music setup. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest tech reviews and audio recommendations. Drop a comment below and tell us which speaker impressed you the most. See you in the next review video.